Welcome to my second episode. Today we will be discussing the gallery bi-level electric multiple unit used by South Carolina. If you haven't seen the last episode, please make sure to check it out. The video is in the top right corner. Let's get started. Based on the lessons learned from Metra's gallery cars, the South Carolina Gallery EMUs are basically an improved version from Nippon Sharyo's gallery cars that Metra has ordered. These cars are they look very similar and have a drop down from the top to the bottom floor, exactly how Metra's gallery cars are formed. These cars have a door on the other end of a cab car. Compared to a Metra cab car, these are having a door in the center and on the rear. The door in the center, instead of for low-level platform only, it's built for high-level platform only. While the door on the B end of the car has for both high-level and low-level with a trapped door. Metra's cars are only for low-level platforms only, the gallery cars. So here's kind of the difference. So these cars are 1500 volts overhead wires. Their length is 85 feet, a width of 9 feet 5 inches, and a height of 15 feet 10 inches. They use a WABCO M2 coupler. They have a maximum speed of 79 miles an hour. They use an electric mechanical air brake, planning regular and braking, variable brake and slip and parking brake features. These cars come equipped with a mixed cast P3 and an E-bell. So, these cars are probably my favorite cars of all that South Carolina uses. Not because they're new, and they're also very rare. I mean, they're not actually quite that rare, come to think of it. They're somewhat common, and the chances are still it's still highly that you're going to run into one of these. Although their fleet, it's only rostered of 14 cars, these are still pretty awesome, and I like it. Conclusions. These are my favorite cars that South Carolina rosters, like I said earlier. They're probably the best type of cars that I've seen, and I really just kind of like them. They kind of remind me of Metra's Highliner 2s, or actually no, it's supposed to be the opposite. These, the Metra Highliner 2s, remind me of this that you see in the photo, not not the way how I said it before. So anyways, thank you for watching. Like, share, hit that subscribe button. If the subscribe button is red, click it. If it's white, you're already good to go. Thank you very much for watching.